Punta kayo sa isang orphanage, anonymous, do something good. Write out a check for the missionaries. That's good. Salamat po. But participate. Hindi yung, ay, Christmas Father, family kami, cozy-cozy, nice-nice. Cozy-cozy, nice-nice. Ang dami namang tao naghihirap, panay ka cozy-cozy. Dinikorasyonan mo lahat ang bahay mo. Siguro milyon na ginastos mo. Pero wala ka namang tinutulungan. Please, reach out. Oh, as I speak, we have a get-together there of parents and relatives of our Filipino SBD missionaries. Once a year, pinaparamdam namin sa mga parents and relatives na we honor you, nagpapasalamat po kami. And we remember your son who is in Africa, who is in Europe, who is in Indonesia. Christmas party. Tignan niyo po, as I speak, kami po, iniwan namin yung kasayahan doon. Si Father Peter, iniwan din niya. Kasi, he's going for the mission. Mission sending po niya ngayon. That's what it means. You sacrifice something